So when I'm asked the question, what if I'm injured in a car accident where a bus strikes my vehicle? And in Florida, that has a very special and unique situation, because if you're injured in a bus vehicle accident where you're struck by a bus, either as a pedestrian or as a occupant of another motor vehicle, in Florida, we have to put that entity, usually it's an entity, it's a county, or it's another political subdivision of the state of Florida that owns that bus company. We have to put them on notice within a very specific time period. And that's what we call the Florida Sovereign Immunity Law. And that requires us to give them a notice of claim within 3 years from the date that that bus accident occurred. Now that involves a bus accident where the bus is owned by either a municipality or a county or some other entity. There's also the instance where you might be, if you've been injured by a bus from a school bus situation, and that relates to the school board that that bus driver was working for. So if it's the school board of Pinellas County or the school board of Pasco County or Hillsboro County, the same rule applies, because that claim will, the rules of sovereign immunity will apply to that claim. And we have to put that entity on notice within that 3-year time period. But otherwise, you need to know, if you're injured in a bus accident, that your own insurance will apply as well, specifically your no-fault coverage, your personal injury protection coverage, which covers you up to 80% of your reasonable medical expenses up to $10,000, and 60% of any of your lost income or lost wages up to that same $10,000. So if you're injured in a bus accident, please give us a call. We're here to help you and make sure that your rights are protected and you do receive reasonable and full compensation for your injuries.